natin?
It's still nighttime. This is the only time to fly in a plane. It's still nighttime. Why? Why I woke up, it's still nighttime.
It's
Are you
an
excited?
early flight.
It's almost my birthday.
Yes. Okay na. Brush your teeth na so that we can go na to the airport. Come on.
To me, are you one? Are you two? Are you three? Are you four? Are you five? Are you six? I'm six! Happy birthday to me!
Kanina pa to.
Happy birthday to
Hindi
me!
mapakalito.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday
At 3 a.m. Dexa. Ang gulo na.
Do you think we can bring a stowaway?
Huh?
Can we bring a stowaway? Look, Brownie has been with us to, I think, Singapore.
B. Marami na kayong bit-bit. Wag na, mawala pa yan. Maiwan pa siya sa airport. O, sige na.
Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine. Your beautiful smile, your beautiful life are waiting for you to shine bright. It's never too early or late to start, to rise up and shine.
Ayan. She's excited. I know.
I used my other.
It's only 4 a.m. Ayan. Ayan na yung Uber namin. Nag-hire kami ng Uber. I think that one is the Uber. I don't know. Yeah. Maybe that one kasi nga malaki yung hinire namin. So I think this one. Maybe.
Yeah, yun yung pinag for Mommy, Highlander.
Hindi, daddy yan eh. Okay. Yeah, you're so excited. Okay, let's go guys.
My birthday.
You're excited. Okay, go. Okay. The girls are excited. Okay. So we're here.
We almost
Dito kami sa Uber. Yeah. So I think, yeah, we paid around 27 from the house to the airport. Yeah.
Window seat. I want to sit in the window seat since it's my first time.
Okay.
And I'm the birthday girl.
Did you pray? Pray first to the Lord that He will guide our trip. Okay. Amen. Amen. Okay. And we're near the airport.
And I'm a little bit sleepy.
Yeah.
I'm a little bit sleepy.
A little bit sleepy.
The
Okay.
middle of the night is 4 p.m.
Did you sleep, yes or no? Maybe you did not sleep.
I was too excited so I couldn't sleep.
That's too funny.
I really couldn't sleep. I was too excited, yeah. I was like trying to close my eyes, but I keep on opening them.
Oh, but I think I slept.
Yeah, I slept. Oh my god, that's lots of people.
Yeah, it's the airport, near the airport.
How much people is there?
Marami ah.
Is a million higher than?
Yes.
Oh my god. I guess we can't walk anymore. Because there's too much. Oh, there, mommy.
Wait.
Look.
Wait. Look. Yeah. It's airport. Calgary Airport. Yeah. See, there's a lot here. See? Okay. See you inside the airport. And ganito sa airport. So this is WestJet. And so dito tayo ibababa. Oh, there's a lot of WestJet something here. Yes. Okay, thank you. Yes, we're going down.
Mommy, open your door.
Yeah, I know. Okay, so the entrance. So dito nga to. So binaba kami here. Yan. So we're going on a trip. Trip. Yan natin. I don't know kung open na yung ating gate. So, yeah. Oh, what's that? Okay, so tingnan natin kung open na yung ating gate. Yeah, magtanong lang. Yeah, ako na bahala. Okay, I will just ask. Okay. So yan, tingnan natin. Hindi kayo guys. Magtanong tayo or else this one? Oh, this one is the WestJet. I think ito ata yung open nila. Sige, magtanong lang ako. Who's that? Girl. Sige na. Ayusin. Okay, ayusin mo yung ganito mo.
I'm going to go today.
Okay, to tomorrow, Dexa. So, yan, mag-check-in muna kami. Okay. Special assistant. Ano yan? Children. Hindi naman tayo mag-ano. Oh. Yeah, it's a nice one. Tingnan nyo dalawa. Doon kayo. Want to see that? Okay. Ang gulo ng mga bata. Sa bagay, maaga pa naman. Yeah, we will go there, Dexa. Mag-check-in lang tayo, okay? Okay. After checking in here, so dito kami. Yeah. Sit together. Okay.
You and Dad are
F. Okay, let's go. Ganda ng Page Bridge natin. Yeah! This one! Nakapunta ka na dyan, di ba? You know that? No. YYC Airport! This way. Still in the airport. Ang layo ng gate ata namin. Yan, magtanong kami dito. Did you put something in your bag?
I put mommy back.
Rubber bag.
What else? What did you
What
put?
else?
This.
Ate, did you put something?
Is there a
si
gun in your
ate,
bag?
si ate tulog o gising.
I put my shopping.
Ayan, sa security lang kami. Ayan. Ayan si Dexa. Dexa, you put that one in that plastic, okay? Your bag. After the security, okay na kami. So, yun lang. Yung ibang mga liquids lang ni Dex ang medyo na-question. But it's okay na. Yes, okay. So, yan yung security here. Yan. Let's go, guys. Yeah, para hindi ka maano yung sa anong gilid mo. Okay, let's go. Dexa! What's this? What's this? So we're still early. It's okay. Okay. So punta kami sa Gate D. Nang nilakad namin. So, eto na kami. Gate D. Ayan na. Sa wakas, layo. Nag-washroom muna kami dito before going here. So, dito yung Gate D. So, I think our boarding time is 6:20. Pero parang 5:30 pa lang ata. So, early kami. It's good. At least hindi kami magra-rush if ever. Yeah. So, yan. 5:25 pa lang pala. Yes. Okay. Here tayo, Dexy. Dexy. Yan, Ayan, so maaga pa kami. It's D70 yung amin dito. Toronto at 7. Yeah, Dexa! Ayan. So, hanap muna kami ng maupuan. Hanap tayo ng mga bilhan ng kape, Dad. I think they have teams here. Yeah, I know. I know, baby. Okay, here, baby. Baby, here. Daddy's here, baby. Nag-enjoy na si Dexa. Yeah. Fish? In the airport? Oh, I see. Ang ganda din ang ginawa nilang ganito here. Yes. Oh my God. Okay, let's go to Daddy and Ate. Come on. Sige. Go, guys. So, Tim's is here. So, Tim's muna kami. Buti lang yung gate namin may malapit na Tim's kasi wala talaga kaming kain. Ayan. Yan. So, yeah. Huh? Person? Oh, yeah. I know. Kaya mag-order tayo, baby.
I want to show you. Come.
Come.
Look,
Person daw.
replace
Naging paa. Okay.
him.
Sige na, line up, girls. Yeah. Then, tingnan natin kung nag-offer na sila ng sandwich or ano lang, donut lang kayo. Yeah. Okay. Kape lang muna kami. So, nag-order lang ako ng French vanilla as usual. Double coffee for Daddy and donuts for the kids. Yun lang, wala kayong drinks, bebe. Ano kayo? Yeah. You want to get some water? Yeah. So, ayan na.
Our time.
Yeah, it's our time. So, Toronto. This one. Saan ba dito? Nandito na si Mama. Ayan, ito sa baba. Yan ang likod na ni Dexa while waiting for the flight. Hi, Dexa. Okay. Ooh.
Which one?
You have to hold your ticket.
Which one's mine?
Just hold it.
All of them?
Yes.
Okay.
Yan. So, maliwanag na nga dito. Ayan. Kanina sobrang dilim. Ayan. So, maliwanag na sa labas. Ito na namin yung plane. So, ito yung plane namin. While waiting, yan, nagkape muna kami. Read the name. Sweet na siya, no? Yeah. D70. Ayan, nagtatatawag na sila. Yeah, I know. Ayan, nagamit na din namin to. Ang cute to. Pinagawa kong ganito. So, ayan. Ang cute. So, ready to check in, I mean. It's WestJet. Toronto, 7 a.m. D70. So, pinauna nila yung mga may mga kasamang kids. Ayan. So, priority yun. Hi, guys! Say hi to the vlog. Dexa, where are you? Yeah, hi to the vlog, baby. Hi! Ayan. So, kami na. We will share to you our view mamaya. Okay, so tapos na kami sa boarding. Come on, Dexa! Excited tong isa. Yeah. Go! Go, baby, go! Go! Go, go, go! Yeah, sorry. Okay, go ahead. You recognize? Yeah, thank you! Video. Oh, Ryan's video? Oh, there's our plane, baby. You did not see the plane? There. The plane is there. Yeah. Okay. Oh. Op, op, op. Okay. Let's go. Okay, no, we go there. Go ahead. Yeah. Oh, thank you so much. What? Okay, thank you so much, baby. Love you. Yeah. Let's go. Yeah, this is the plane. This is the plane, Dexa. Oh. Thank you. Say good morning. Hi. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Okay, go. Yeah. Go ahead. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, so 27.
And then there's one that's like nice little pocket. That is very nice.
Yeah. Oh, somebody is struggling to buckle herself. Okay, you have to lift this one. Okay, and then buckle yourself again. Ooh. Ooh, that's nice. Okay. Okay, sit down na, sit down na. Sit down properly. I will buckle you properly. Okay. Did you see the WestJet there? We're here in the WestJet Airlines. Yeah,
Good
sige.
morning again, folks.
You want
For those
to
of you just
do that
joining
one?
us,
Okay.
welcome on board WestJet Flight 650 off to Toronto. Our flight this morning, as you probably know, is completely full. So we do have to use all space provided for your carry-on baggage. Larger rollerboard suitcases go into the overhead bin wheels
Okay, yeah, you can
first.
adjust.
Smaller bags such as
Sorry,
laptops,
maingay yung...
backpacks, purses, anything,
Is it the baby?
that fit under the seat. We ask you not to put it into the overhead bin, put it under the seat. That way we can accommodate. Come on
Anong order mo? May tuwang-tuwa. Yes.
I'm gonna get the gummy bear.
Oh my God. Dito ka pa nag-snack ng gummy bear?
For more information on WestJet Connect, please ask a cabin crew to expedite our departure. We will be closing the boarding door shortly. Please take your seats and we will be
Nasaan
on
yung
our way
nilagay mo
as
sa
soon as
bag mo?
possible. Bienvenue à bord. Nous vous demandons de bien vouloir libérer l'allée et de ranger vos bagages dans les compartiments supérieurs ou sous le siège devant vous. WestJet Connect.
Yes.
I wanna
Like
get
that?
this.
Oo, kala mo kakain ka ng marami. O sige, tingin-tingin ka muna.
They said,
What?
they're just waiting for everybody to sit down and buckle their seatbelts, and then they'll close the door, and then we'll start moving.
Excited siya. Excited ng baby ko naka-seatbelt ka mabuti.
Repérez la sortie la plus proche de votre siège, ainsi que l'emplacement des autres sorties. S'il y a une panne d'alimentation ou une urgence, l'éclairage de plancher s'allumera et toutes les sorties seront indiquées par leur
What?
enseigne de sortie illuminée.
Yeah, did you see your luggage, ate?
Dans la cabine,
Kasama
le panneau
dito?
situé au-dessus de vous s'ouvrira et déclenchera des masques
Wala yung
d'oxygène.
luggage ni ate.
Restez assis et tirez immédiatement sur un masque afin que l'oxygène se libère. Placez-le sur votre
see?
nez et votre bouche tout en
Somebody is
passant la
talking.
bande élastique derrière votre tête. Tirez sur
So
les
it's
deux
7
extrémités
a.m.
à l'avant pour l'ajuster. Mettez votre masque en premier avant de décoller.
Ticket!
Some people
En
are
préparation du
by
décollage,
Yes.
veuillez redresser
Yeah,
votre siège et
move.
votre tablette. Si votre appareil électronique reste coincé dans votre siège, n'essayez pas de le récupérer
pasahero
ou d'ajuster
today.
le siège. Demandez
Okay, say
immédiatement
bye-bye, say
l'aide
bye-bye
de
to
membres de
Kuya.
l'équipage de cabine.
Filipino ata.
Afin d'éviter de
Yun
vous
ang trabaho
blesser
niya.
ou de blesser d'autres
Kuya,
invités,
bye-bye!
faites attention en tout temps lorsque vous
Thank you,
récupérez
Lord,
vos
for this
bagages
trip,
dans les
oh God.
compartiments supérieurs. Merci d'avoir choisi
Bless the
WestJet
trip,
pour
Lord.
votre vol
Thank you,
aujourd'hui.
Lord.
N'hésitez pas à communiquer avec les membres de l'équipage de cabine si vous avez des questions ou des préoccupations liées à la sécurité. Nous vous souhaitons un bon vol.
I need to find a place to hang
Votre équipage de cabine peut présenter la procédure de sécurité en portant un masque pour le
You
visage.
see how it is
Portez un masque pour le
going up,
visage
okay?
Et qu'un masque oxygène vient d'être sorti du panneau au-dessus de vous. Veuillez Veuillez votre masque, mettez le masque oxygène et suivez les procédures présentées.
Seryoso sila. Hi guys! Daddy! Seryoso kayo dyan. Seryoso sila. Turn na siya. Okay.
Because that way is Toronto.
Yes.
Ooh, I'm so excited how many people are gonna be there.
Yes. Yan na, yung tail. Kikita mo yung tail ng
Look, look, guys.
plane? Yeah.
Look.
Okay, tinan mo muna. Huwag mo na yung ano mo. Yung toy mo. See? And then you can see the land, di ba? Mamaya clouds na lang makita mo. Okay, we're taking off. Mukhang taas na tayo, Dexa.
And then I could, when we not at the clouds, I could see this mountain, but it's actually not mountain. Not mental, not mental.
Okay, okay nga. Okay nga. Mamaya, pagka naka-take off tayo. Okay, bye YYC. See you YYC. Bye YYC. See you YYZ. Yeah, just give me a second here. Oh, ito yung... Yeah, tingnan mo muna. Yan, eating my candy. Yan. Nama muna, Dexa. Sige na, eat mo na. Okay, give mama. Who want, guys? Guys, who want? Daddy, sleep ka na. Eh, si daddy namin walang tulog. From work siya. Yan. So, dapat maka-clip siya para maganda din ang mood niya mamaya. Yan, si Dexa. I'm just taking this video for Dexa's memory. Actually, second time na niya, kaso lang baby siya nung nag-travel kami. Pabalik sa, going back home sa Pilipinas at pabalik.
Time, right?
Yeah, pero ito yung first time niya na may parang alam na niya, baga ganun. Kasi noon, 4 months nung inuwi ko at 8 months nung binalik ko siya dito. Dexa, yan na! Malayo din pala tong inikutan namin kasi galing kami doon.
Mommy,
Yeah.
when I was a baby, I couldn't see like the thing, and I was sitting here, but I was too small, so I couldn't.
You
see
have
that.
your bassinet. Binigyan kanila ng bassinet. Like a crib. Baby crib.
They gave
The
me
plane.
that.
Yeah. I will show you a picture one day, okay?
They gave me one too, so I could see better.
Yes.
So, and I won't just be crying and just looking at nothing.
Yes po.
Like this. Right?
Okay, so yeah. Malayo siya. Ito yung nakikita natin, be, pag nagte-take off siya. Nakikita natin pag dumadaan tayo. You see a plane? Yeah, plane like this. Go. You see the plane here. Juk, 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 juk.
No, the plane goes like.
No, tuwa si Dexa. Attendance. Departure na daw. Okay, okay na yan. Okay, ito na na.
Did it say?
Ito na. Sitahan ka na. Tingnan mo. Tingnan mo. Mamaya clouds na makita mo. Oh my God.
This is not.
Parang humaba naman ang hair mo sa ano.
Wait, how long is
Tingnan
my
na.
hair? How long is my hair now?
Here.
Oh,
Before here.
when you do this,
Yeah.
before you
Yan na, Dexa. Oh my goodness. You hear that?
so loud.
Yeah, I know it's loud. It's like running. And then it will go up and up and up.
Now it's raining.
Yeah,
Raining.
yes. told you. This one, Dexa, here. You see this one? It's not yet allowed to remove your seatbelt, okay? So don't move. Oh my, it's nice. Oh my goodness. I love this. I love the view. I love the view, Dexa.
I feel like I'm gonna float.
You're floating?
I just feel like that.
I know.
The captain has left the seatbelt sign out. Please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened. We recommend you keep your seatbelt fastened anytime you are seated. We'd like to remind you that smoking, including the use of e-cigarettes and vaporizers, is prohibited at all times. For your convenience, washrooms are located at the front and at the back. The washroom located at the front is reserved for a premium
let's
cabin.
take a rest,
Wish to
okay?
Connect is now available and charging outlets are located at every seat. In-flight service will begin shortly. Please refer to the menu in your seat back, which list item is available for purchase on today's flight. We'd like to
Okay, clouds na yung nakikita mo. We're above the clouds. Yes, we're above the clouds. Ayan na. Ayan.
Look at that giant water.
Yes. Tulog pa din siya. Nakatulog na siya. Inuhat ko na lang si Dexa. Tinanggal na lahat ng sapatos niya. Sinilado na yung bintana. Sleep well, baby. Pa din siya. Kaya nagbigay na sila ng complimentary snacks. That's good. Water lang kami ni Dexa. Sleeping baby. Oh, yan na. Masyadong masilaw. Yeah. Oh, I love that.
We're almost on land.
Yeah. Almost on land na, wag ka na matulog. Oh. Yan, open, open. Wag ka na matulog.
Almost at Toronto.
Yes. Almost. Okay, eat ka na muna ng snacks mo. Snacks on the plane. Ito sa'yo. I opened that one. Ito, sige na. Yeah, you try first. If that's your favorite, you try. Yeah. I know. It's tiny, right? It's your favorite. So yummy, right? Tiny for Dexa.
It's snack time.
Yes, snack time. Snack time. Okay, snack ka muna. Binigyan kanina ng ganito. Ang ganda pretzels. Okay, dyan ka sa motor. Then you will go to the washroom so that you can see the washroom. Okay. Ayan, may bigay ng juice. Apple juice ang binigyan niya. Yeah, and then, yeah, eto siya. Oh. Nakikipag-usap kay daddy niya dun. Ayun si daddy. Yung napili kasi na dapat pala natin, ilagay natin yung upuan natin dito kaso lang hindi kayo maabot. Sorry. Magulo lang yung vlog ko. Yeah. Excited at maingay. Yeah. Okay, it's nice. Dito kayo sa natin, window. It's nice view in the window. I love it. window for the plane. Magulo si Dexa. Got the free gummy. Gummy bear.
I got free gummy bears.
Why you got free gummy bears? Ah, okay, sit down ka na.
I think it's my birthday, they know. Here you go. I opened it.
Let's see.
I tried to
Free
open it.
gummies from the flight attendant.
I tried to open.
Okay. We're landing. It's now Toronto, guys. We're landing, Dexa. Yeah,
We're
little.
gonna go back to the airport and then next time we go home.
Hello, Toronto. Okay. Yeah. Oh, nalilo ang baby ko. Sumakit daw ang tenga niya. At nahilo. Okay. Pababa na kasi kami na medyo nag-iba yung altitude. So ako nga din parang hindi ako nakakarinig. Sumakit ang tenga ko din ng konti. And then this baby, sumakit tenga na. So, oh, Toronto is here. Hello, Toronto. Down na talaga siya, guys. Ito na. Oh, mapag na tayo. Oh, mapag na. Oh, see? See? Okay. Wow! You see that plane? Bumaka yung kanyang mga niya, wings niya, oh. Oh. Mga wings niya. Ayan, nakalapag na kami. Thank you, Lord. Thank you, Lord, for the beautiful weather, too. Napag na kami ngayon sa Toronto. Ayan. This is Toronto Airport.
At the gate, the seatbelt sign is turned off. Smoking is only permitted in
Nanghina
designated
siya.
smoking areas. You may now connect your personal electronic device to a network. Any guests that require the crew's assistance leaving the aircraft are asked to remain seated until all other guests have deplaned and when you're better able to assist.
Okay.
If you have any questions about connecting plates or baggage, please speak to a WestJet agent inside the terminal. They'll be
Kunin
happy
natin
to
yung
assist
baggage
you.
ni ate,
On
okay?
behalf of the crew and everyone at WestJet, thank you for flying with us today. We appreciate your continued support and trust. I look forward to welcoming you on board again soon. Bienvenue à Toronto, Ulan Lacan et Midi
Okay. Toronto person. And waiting kami kung saan yung luggage ni Dexy. Kasi nga na-i-check-in namin pero parang free na lang siya. Parang ganun. Kasi nga puno na yung plane. Wala na daw space. So yan. Check, 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 check. Ilan ng bagahe natin. Magtatanong siya kung saan daw yung kanyang luggage, saan namin ipipick up, I mean. Yan. So nahapay, na-in-check yung anak ko. Nahapay. What happened to you? Tired? So nandito kami ngayon sa kuhanan ng luggage. Ayan. So I think number 4 daw si ate. Yung nakalagay sa ano niya, at tag niya, baggage tag. Feel tired. Okay, we will eat first. Yummy food. Maybe your energy will be okay. Okay, you want to sleep. Okay. Okay. So while waiting, ayan na. Si ate nandun nag-aabang sa kanyang luggage. Si daddy ay nag-washroom. Welcome to Toronto! Ay, nantok na naman. Sa wakas. Ako sa susunod, alam mo na yung size niya. Kasi dapat hindi check into eh. Kaso lang, lumaki. In-extend. Lumaki kasi yung kanyang bagahe. Aray ko. Sige, tara na guys. Ayan, so nag-rent kami dito ng car for 5 days. So I think 800 ata yung binayaran namin. So hindi ko alam yung full details kasi husband kasi ang nag-book nito. Yeah, so ganito yung airport nila here in Toronto. arrival naman nila sa baba. So, it's raining pala. Ulan pa. Kaya pala ang pangit ng panahon. Yeah. Enterprise? Enterprise. Wala siya dyan. No? Careful ka anak ka. Baka mahulog ka. So, ito yung Toronto Airport. Yan.
This budget.
Eh, ano sabi sa'yo? So, yan. Hanapin namin yung Enterprise daw pala ang pangalan ng car rentals na yun. Enterprise. Yan. Let's go! So, dito yung company kung saan nag-rent si husband. Enterprise daw. Dati dito kami sa Hertz na yan. Nag-Vancouver kami. So, kukunin namin yung car here. So, yun nga, as I said sa isang clip namin, it's car rental for 5 days. It's around 800 din ata. So, ganun kamahal. Kasi kailangan namin ng car kasi mahirap naman na maglakad-lakad kami dito. Kasi may bata. Although, okay lang sana kung ano lang, popol lang kayo, ganun. So, yun, andun pa ata yung car namin. Tingnan namin. Ayan, so dito yung office ng Enterprise. So, I think may naasikaso sila kay Daddy. So, ayan. Enterprise. Ayan, ito siya. Car rental siya. So, while waiting, ayan, bine-verify ata yung kanyang driver or tina-transfer yung kanyang insurance. Yeah?
I didn't think it was gonna be that cold. Like, you know how when we
Saan?
in the airplane, I was freezing.
Oh, really? Why you did not ask for blanket? Pwede. Yeah.
I just fell asleep.
Oh, okay. Me so that I can inform the attendant. Can you help us with a blanket? They have blanket, honestly. Yeah.
I just kept on falling asleep, so I did like, and I was like,
Okay. Ayan, busy-busy ako kanina. Na ng Enterprise to. It's a new car. Yes, a new car, Dexa. Our car here in Ontario. Why Ontario pa tong ano niya? Ang kanyang plate. Yeah. May car seat din silang binigay for Dexa. Ayan, kasi... nirent mo din ba ang car seat, Daddy? Nirent mo din? Really? Oh, kaya pala halos 800 daw. Yeah. No, everything is sa likod na. Yes. O di kaya sa gitna nyo. Yeah. Careful. Ayun, seat rental pa kami. Ayan. Pwede na to kay Dexa? Daddy will fix it pa daw. O pwede na daw. Okay, can you try, Dexa? You will try. Okay, go inside. Yan. Parang yung sasakyan lang natin to dati, Dad, no? Yung maliit na sasakyan natin. Okay, hindi. Nakaganyan kasi yan. Sige, try nating iayos, Dexa. So, welcome to Toronto, guys. Yan, so nakuha na namin tong na car na nirent namin. So, it's from Enterprise nga. Yeah, we will check first kung saan tayo pwedeng kumain. Gutom na kami. Yeah, kasi ang binigay lang sa... Dexa, hi! And she's not hungry daw. Ate, say hi to the vlog, ate. Welcome to Toronto, guys. Yeah. So, ayan. Parang naaalala ko, parang ganito lang sa Pinas. Yung airport natin dun, Dexy. Right? Yung labas ng, ano, Naiya. Parang ganun lang. Ay, nagulat. Ayan, nasa akin kasi walang patungan tong waist ni Daddy. Ayan. Share namin sa inyo, guys, kung yung ginawa namin ay gagawin namin here in Toronto before heading to Niagara. Ayan. Ayan. Ang dinatnan namin McDonald's. Kasi yun yung malapit daw dito sa airport, sabi ni Dexy. Siya kasi yung nag-search yan sa mga first stop namin. So, para safe kami at hindi kung saan-saan muna nakainan. Yeah.
I gotta go to the address. I put 363, not 3636.
Okay, so ayan. McDo na lang muna kami for the meantime. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Yan, nag-order na si ate. So, ito yung kanilang kiddie meal.
I want to get this one.
Okay, we will try if they have, okay? Kasi ate na yung nag-order sa amin. Yeah? Just make it a meal, please. Yeah. Meal na lahat, bebe. Okay, yeah. Start na kami ng What do you call this one?
I guess I get this one.
Okay.
This one.
Okay, let's try Dexa, okay? So, start na kami ng fast food, guys. Diyos ko. 5 araw to na fast food. Okay, guys, sige. Shawarma kay Daddy. Ayaw yan ng McDo. Ito lang yung nakita namin kainan. Ayan na yung sa atin, oh. Happy Meal for Dexa and burger for me and ate. Okay, let's eat, guys, first. Start na tayo ng fast foods. Maghanap ko, Dexa, ng kainan natin. Magutom tayo. Nakain na. Ito na. Almost halfway. Exit right. Niagara. Yan na. So parang patag lang din no? Ang view namin going to Niagara. I don't know how to say it properly, Dexy. Niagara? 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 Niagara?
Niagara.
Yeah, so ganito lang din ang view nila. View, I mean going there. Hindi masyadong mabundok like sa bandang like sa amin dun sa Calgary, which is going to Banff, going to Kananaskis, iba yung view. So yan, parang city na din kasi siya. Ayan. May IKEA sila here. So sige, pakita namin sa inyo kapag medyo malapit-lapit na siguro. Yan, ito Niagara. See you! Ito siya. Kanya medyo matraffic na rin pala dito no? And may bridge sila dito. Ayan. Which is unusual sa amin kasi wala kaming bridge na nadadaanan sa Calgary.
Is over troubled
Ang grabe na
water.
din padami na ng padami yung sasakyan. Tapos ganito din yung makikita mo sa side. Ayan. Ito kung anong
Manila Bay.
Bay. Manila Bay. Manila Bay lang ang peg yan.
Yun ang white sand.
Manila Bay talaga. Ay, maraming sasakyan. Ayan. Canada. Sabi ni Dexa, saan na ba tayo? Sabi ko, Canada pa din.
Tanungin mo saan siya.
Sabi niya,
Saan siya
akala
ngayon?
ko, ayan yung bridge na to. Ay, ang ganda din. Parang Bunton Bridge lang sa amin.
Sa Manico pala to eh.
Oo, ay, ang ganda din ng view. Kasi nga parang dagat ata to eh. Ayan. Medyo gloomy nga lang, guys. Kaya medyo hindi mo masyadong makita yung dulo doon. Tapos dito din banda. Yan, may malaki lang na shop dito. Ayan, ito din oh. Ganda dito. Ayan.
When in trouble.
Tubig-tubig din dito. So yun, medyo matraffic yung itsura niya. Nakikita nyo din. Matraffic ata dito sa Toronto eh. Malaking
Peak hours.
Yeah, peak hours. I mean, peak hours kasi ata. Yan, ang ganda din ng ganito nila along the way. So ito yung view namin. Ayan, taas, parang sa atin no? Kaya nga parang ang dami ko tuloy na pag-compare sa Pilipinas here sa kanila. Ayan to, may mga ganito din tayo sa Pilipinas eh. Ayan, ganito. Parang ano ang tawag nila dyan? Expressway o di kaya overpass. Ay, no, not overpass. Yung ganyan. Yeah. Bridge na mataas.
Over trouble.
Ay, salamat nakarating na. Ito na kami sa Niagara. Naghahanap na kami ng hotel namin. Yeah, here na. So, ayan.
It's check-in thing. Health center.
Oh, yeah. So, hindi pa pala hotel. Sorry naman. So, marami ang hotel dito nearby.
Comfort.
Ayan, meron sila mga comfort hotel. Tabi-tabi na siya dito. Dating nakakita pa ako ng isang hotel doon. Hindi ko napansin. May Ramada din here. Nakikita ko doon.
In 800 meters, turn left.
Marami ding courtyard banda dito. So, maraming hotel dito. Ayun, may courtyard Marriott. May mga double tree.
Oh yeah, buffet. Buffet mamaya. Breakfast, dinner,
Yeah, meron pala
kids
dito.
rate.
Dexy, oh. Meron pala dito all you can eat.
Breakfast, 11, no? Dinner.
one.
Yeah. They
Sabihin
have
mo,
here.
balik lang tayo.
But there's also one like that's I think Chinese or Vietnamese.
Yeah. So, ganito itsura ng Niagara. Ayan. Meron silang mga lodge din here.
Tumatin.
Yeah. Diplomat Inn. Meron din silang ganyan. First time kasi namin kaya hindi namin kabisado
Korean
yung
cuisine, Korean
ano
cuisine.
din. Asan Korean? IHOP. We're
Morning,
here.
Dexa.
Meron din silang Windman Garden here.
Yan tayo ba mag-dinner? Revolving
Oh, they
door.
have Korean barbecue restaurant, Dexy.
Yan. Revolving yan. Revolving.
Yeah. Ah, yeah.
Revolving dining.
Nakapag-book kami dyan for the birthday. 7 p.m. So, ito yung parang pinaka-center ng Niagara Falls. Yeah.
We're gonna book, then we're gonna hotel.
Yeah. Uy, they have indoor pool.
Oh, nahuli siya. Oh, lower, no?
Saan? Oh, yeah. Ay, ulihin pa yan. Ayan yung tower na gusto namin puntahan. Bukas ng gabi, nakabook kami dyan ng dinner for the birthday girls. So, ganito siya.
Oh, malalim pa.
Oh, malalim. No, makakatakot siya. Adi, dahan-dahan ka. Pero ang ganda din ng place nila, Dexa. Dexa!
Yun ang
see?
falls, no?
Wow! Oh my God! Nakita ko na yung falls! Kinilig ako bigla. Oh my! Nakita ko na yung falls, guys! Oh my! Nakita ko, kinilig ako! Sorry,
Ito yung
first time
center.
kasi.
Welcome center, guys.
Yeah, so,
You have reached your destination.
yeah. Kukunin namin yung pass namin. Ito pala yun. Kasi baka magsara. Oh my, ang ganda. Kaso lang umuulan. Ay, ano ba yan? Kunin namin yung pass namin dito sa welcome center nila. Ayan, may mga ganyan na sila.
Kuha ako ng
Kapote.
I'm gonna wear my
Okay, yeah. So, daan lang muna. Oh, yan na siya! Ako yung na-excite. Although nga lang maganda yung view kasi nga, oh my. No. Sorry po. Daddy mo na sa akin ang ingay ko. So, dito tayo kukuha muna kami ng passes. Saglit lang. Ah. Although, hindi lang maganda yung panahon ngayon. Hindi ata eh. Cannot. Kasi hindi pwede dyan eh. Highway yan eh. Ano tayo ikot? Ano kayo ikot? Ayan. Ano lang kami, magdi-discover lang si daddy kasi yun nga. Kunin lang namin yung passes. Ayan na. Oh my, ganda talaga din pala. Sus mio. Yan, ang daming tao. So, explore namin yan pagka kami naka-check-in na muna. Ayan, ganito siya.
Saan ba hotel natin? Dito lang hotel natin. Kasi
Marriott.
Marriott ba tayo?
Yan, ito.
Wow.
Then we have also the embassy. The second day. O, ito yung mga hotels natin. So we have the first 2 nights here in Marriott. Ayan. So ito siya. Talagang looking at the ano din. And then the second and fourth day, natakpan siya sa embassy here. Sa embassy tayo on the third and the fourth. And then ngayong gabi, dalawang gabi in Marriott. So ito yung hotel na yun.
I think it's this.
May tower hotel din pala, Dexy. Maganda din. Ayan. So ang kinuha namin na side is yung sa full side. Ayan. Ito yung mga yan.
The hotel that don't have view.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ayan. So ito yung mga
So, saan tayo? Toronto.
Signs
Where
here.
US
Yeah.
tayo usually.
So at least gumanda yung panahon. So yung dumating kami sobrang parang maulan. Ngayon medyo gumanda-ganda siya. Ayan ang mga hotel namin
Hello
dito.
guys.
Ayan yung mga hotel na. Yung dalawang
Marriott.
magkatabi na yan. Yeah, Marriott and the Embassy sa sweet.
Yung casino, maganda tayo na.
Maganda din.
Yun yung revolving ba yan? Yan yung kainan natin?
Ito.
Yan?
Ito tayo. Ito yan.
Oo, nakabook kayo dyan.
Yes.
Oh, guys.
Where are you going?
No, you're gonna eat your dinner there, guys.
Yeah. For birthday. Wow.
Gonna make this special cake.
Yes.
Maganda
One?
tayo, walang sumusunod eh.
Yeah.
Can I make
Open mo nga to dad, please. Thank you. Ayan siya. Pag ganito na nakasakay ka sa sasakyan. Oh, wow, ang ganda. Yeah, here, hindi masyadong kita. Pero ito yung, dito galing yung mga baba na tubig. Oo, grabe. Oh, parang laging baha. Baha to eh. May gumanda yung panahon ngayon. Oh.
me? If I was in there, I'd be like this.
Oh. Oh.
Look.
Ito magandang view niya ngayon. Yan.